First, scroll down on the plant screen until you see My Device list. Click on the battery serial number which begins WP. Select Control at the bottom of the screen. A list of options will display. Choose Battery first. You will now be asked to enter a password. See instructions on screen for help on the format. You must enter the date in year, month and day. Make sure the password is typed in lowercase and press Done. Now, enter the time in which you want the battery to start charging, in time period 1. Make sure time period 1 is set to enable. Once selected, click Done and tap on the second box in time period 1. This is the time you want the battery to stop charging from the grid. Select a time and press Done. After both the start and end times have been set, press Done. A pop-up will appear confirming the parameters have been set successfully. Finally, click Yes. You can now navigate back to the plant screen. If you need any additional support, call the number on screen.